Hello friends, in this video we'll be learning about the viruses of Archaea, which is also known as Archaeal viruses. And I, John Avinash, pursuing my first MSc Applied Microbiology, will be dealing with this video. The contents of this video will be introduction, which is a general understanding of Archaea viruses and Archaeal viruses, the history of Archaeal viruses. Second, the definition about its appearance and its definition itself. Third, types of Archaeal viruses, its types and the shapes of few Archaeal viruses. First, the general introduction. What is Archaea virus and Archaeal virus? Archaea. Archaea are the single-cell microorganism with structure similar to bacteria and famous for their love of living in extreme environments. Virus, a submicroscopic infectious agent that replicates only inside the living cells of an organism. It infects all the life forms from animals and plants to microorganisms, including bacteria and archaea. Archaeal viruses is a virus that infects and replicates in archaea that are found in acidic hot springs, highly saline bodies of water, and at the bottom of the ocean. The history. The first description of an archaeal virus was made by Torsvik and Dundas in the year 1974 in a Nature paper titled Bacteriophage of Halobacterium salinarum, a halophilic archaean. In the 1980s, Wolfram Selig and his colleague began isolating viruses from thermophilic archaea of the orders Thermoprotealis and Sulfolobales. A virus infecting archaea was first described in the year 1974. Several others have been described since then. Most have head-tail morphologies and linear double-stranded DNA genomes. Other morphologies have been described including spindle-shaped, rod-shaped, filamentous, icosahedral, and spherical. Additional morphological may also exist. The definition itself. What is an archaeal virus? An archaeal virus is a virus that infects and replicates in archaea, a domain of unicellular prokaryotic organism. Archaeal viruses, like their hosts, are found worldwide, including in extreme environments, inhospitable to most life, such as acidic hot springs, highly saline bodies of water, and at the bottom of the ocean. They have been also found in the human body. The structure itself. The cryo-electron microscopic reconstruction of sulfolobus turated icosahedral virus, that is STIV, is shown in the left side image, and in the right side image you can see a sulfolobus archaean infected with STSV1, that is the two spindle shaped virions are nearly visible in the surface of the cell. We can easily see that. The types. Based on the DNA structure, they are basically made up of two types. First, double-stranded DNA viruses infecting archaea, and the second, single-stranded DNA virus infecting archaea. First, the double-stranded DNA viruses. Bacteriophages, basically the viruses that infect the bacteria belonging to the families of Tetraviridea or Corticoviridea, have the lipid bilayer membrane inside the icosahedral protein capsid, and the membrane surrounds the genome. The Crinarchaeal virus, that is Sulfolobus turated icosahedral virus, has a similar structure. Species of order Ligamenvirilis and the families of Ampulovidae, Bicaudaviridae, Clavardiae, Fusiloviridae, Globuloviridae, and Gutaviridae infect hypothermophilic archaea species of the Crinarchaea. The species of genus Salterprovirus infect halophilic archaea species of the Eukaryota. Single-stranded DNA viruses. Although around 50 archaeal viruses are known, all about 2 have double-stranded genomes. The first archaeal ssDNA single-stranded DNA virus was to be isolated is Halorubrum pleomorphic virus 1, which has a pleomorphic envelope virion and a circular genome. Defenses against these viruses may involve RNA interference from repetitive DNA sequences that are related to the genes of the viruses. So these are the various types of viruses. You can see the three different colors here. First, the bluish color, which is the archaeal and bacterial. Second one is the bacterial, which is brown ish color, and the third one is the green color, which is Archaeal itself. The few examples of archaeal bacteria. The first one is the sulfolobus spindle bacteria that is shaped of the bacteria, that is SSV1. You can see the two different images here. The second one is the acidianus two-tailed virus, that is ATV virus. You can see how it is being two-tailed on the left and the right, and the microscopic image is below. The Salter provirus, that is His1 and His2 viruses, which is also shown here, which has got one tail, a putative capsid, and the structure and the microscopic view. The ABV virus, the bottle shaped virus, which has got the shape of the bottle, is in this image. Then the AFB virus is the filamentous virus of Acinetobacter species, that is a species of Acinetobacter. The TTV virus, there is Thermoproteus tenax linear virus, which has got the linear shape of its kind. Thank you for watching this video and for the patient listening. For doubts and queries, please use the comment section below. Once again, thank you.